This is the on-off mixer shower unit. I've removed it from my shower to see exactly what was wrong. Now I've taken it apart. I've taken the little clip off, and now I'm going to very carefully tap it with a hammer to remove the inners. Now this particular one was leaking, so I looked at it carefully and found that the seals were all clogged up with limescale. So what I will be doing later is putting it into citric acid, which is what I've been using to clean limescale off, and in most cases that works perfectly okay. I'm going to now put it back together, making sure I get all the parts the correct way round. Now by repairing this particular part, saves me about £100 in respect of a new shower mixer. I'm now going to fit the clip that holds it in place. Thank you for watching, and if you've got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more DIY, then please go on to my channel.